What is good, guys? Today is the 26th of June, and I'll be going over how I lost 553 bucks trading this morning. Now, obviously, different setup. I am not on my normal setup. Um, I am in Ohio right now, not trading in New York. Didn't take a trade yesterday, but so disappointed. Bro. If I was trading, bro, oh my god, bro. Free shorts. Free shorts. But let's just get right into my trade. Um so to start off, let's go into my bias on Discord. Daily bias. Leaning bearish, respecting versus disrespecting. Bearish is winning, and there's a monthly gap lower that we could draw to. 4 hour bearish gap that we're respecting. Here's an hourly gap that we've disrespected. 4 hour gap that we are respecting. This is on the 1 hour time frame, and there's two 1 hours that we are respecting. We never ended up inverting this 1 hour, but that's on ES. So yeah. How do I do this? Okay. So off market open. So a little before market opened, we trade up into this 15-minute gap. No, there was a 30-minute gap that was going to form. We don't form that. Tap into the 15-minute gap, and we then get a 30-second IFEG with change, or not change state, 30-second IFEG. And at the time, I faded this because we were trading inside of a 5 minute. Wait, were we? Were we not trading inside of a 5 minute? No, we were trading inside of a 5 minute. Okay. Yeah, there's that 5 minute. Okay. Yeah, by the time we inverted it, we were trading inside of the 5 minute, but at the same time, we pretty much just instantly disrespected it. Crazy push down, disrespecting the CE, and yeah, I probably shouldn't have faded this trade. Definitely would have been able to catch my winning day and just get off, but it's whatever. Let's go into the trade that I took. So, leading up to 9:45, we generate low resistance liquidity, leading to Asia's session low. We have seemingly respected this 15-minute gap, and now I'm just waiting for ES to come into the tap into the CE of the 15-minute gap, maybe take out New York session high, the most recent high made during New York session. Let me pull it up on ES. There's that session. There's the New York Open high. New York Open high. So we come up and we tap into the 15-minute, taking out New York sessions high, then creating an SMT on from both the New York session high at the time and this high right before 9:45. 9:45 opens and we create a devil's mark pretty much. Very little wick. So I'm pretty much expecting us to probably come up, maybe wick above here, which we do. We then get 30-second inverse, and obviously by the title of the video, we lost. We Here's the trade. We were in it. I was in it for a bit. I was contemplating on just exiting out because by the time this happened and we edged my stop loss, I was like, okay, we're probably just gonna accumulate. And lo and behold, what happened? We just accumulated. We ended up breaking out of the range, but then just accumulated more and more and more and more. And now it's here. So yeah, bias was wrong. I mean, the trade idea was definitely there. Low resistance liquidity leading up to 9:45. Devil's mark at 9:45. Oh well, that's also on ES. or not on ES, MNQ. That was mark 9:45. We take it, we invert 30-second, low resistance liquidity leading up to Asia session low. But I did say before I was gonna enter, before I was even thinking about entering, I was like, we could just accumulate all the way up until 10 a.m. But obviously we did accumulate all the way up until 10 a.m. and we just continue to accumulate. Um, Only time we're getting a reversal is like 10:30. But that's pretty much it for today. Wait, let me yeah, so we're down on the funded account, but it's all good. Um I took a trade Monday, break even trade yesterday, no trade yesterday, break even Wednesday, and we're down 553 today. Um it's all good. I mean, I understand what needs to be done in the market, and I know how I understand a lot more than I did now, so I'm pretty confident in myself. It's just I feel real anxious whenever markets opening. At the same time, probably should have just taken the day off. I'm not on my regular setup. Um, but it's all good. It's also Friday, end of the week, low probability day. So I'm not mad. It is what it is. Accepted the risk once I entered into the trade. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Not gonna really be posting content this week. I mean, I don't really be posting like that anymore, but I'm gonna start posting once I get back. I'm gonna start filming short form skits, fucking long form psychology vids because I mean, I think I have some pretty good psychology sauce. I'd be talking about trading a lot, especially to my family and my friends, and like I really love trading. I really love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go upload this video and then I'm gonna go hang out with my family. So, peace out.